Hello, this is Jason. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Anaconda on our Windows computer. And then we will learn some basic Anaconda command prompt. First, we go to Google and search for Anaconda. Then click on installing Anaconda distribution. Download Anaconda. Insert our email and check agree, then submit. Anaconda provides different options for different operating systems. In our case, we select Anaconda for Windows. Then we go to our download folder. Double click on Anaconda. Next, I agree. And we can select different type. In our case, I will select just me. And we can also specify the destination folder. I keep it default. Next. Install. Then next. I finish. Then we can search Anaconda from here. In our case, we use Anaconda prompt. You can see the base is the Anaconda default environment. First, we need learn some basic Anaconda command. Anaconda-h version, and we will create two different environments. Anaconda create, and we specify a name. We can also specify the package name, in our case, we are use Python equal 3.9. And we can use Conda env list to check our environments. You can see we have two different environments, one called base and one called Conda env. Let's create another environment. Conda create a name. date. In this case, we specify Python 3.7. Yes. We can use Conda env list to check how many environments we have created. We can see there are 3 environments. One is default. The other 2 are where we just create. Let's switch between different environments. Count, activate, count env. We can see now we change it to our count env environment. If we want to install some packages, we can use this command, count install NuPy. And we can also use conda list to check the packages. Conda list. And we can conda deactivate. And then it will change back to our default base environment. Conda list, env list. And we can also remove our environment, use conda env remove. And the name. Yes. And we can use conda env list. Here we can see only 2 environments remain. That's all. This is for Anaconda part 1, and see you next time. Bye bye.